Actually, this is their award. This is their first film. First time in their life they face the camera. This was their first air travel. This was their first festival. And this film has got an audience award. We are so humbled. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Puff. Thank you so much, Tina. Thank you so much, Talent Film Festival. Thank you. This award goes to all my crew members and especially these people. They gave me that confidence. It's because of their blessing that we got this audience award, and we were not expecting this. But the way during the screening we saw people were in tears, we thought maybe our film Pyre touched Estonian audience, the international audience. Thank you so much. We are so humbled.